Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to move a card to another from a board to another board in Trello web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Trello web application and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an existent account, just connect with your Gmail, Apple or Facebook accounts, or you can just sign up with your email and uh, just follow the simple steps. So basically, after you succeed on connecting to your Trello web application, you will need to go to your boards and search for the card that you want to move. So basically, let's suppose that we want to move this card and move it to the other board that I have. This one, grant tracking templates. So it was a template that I had, and basically we want to move our card. So as you can see, you can find this action section here, and we can see that we have the move option. So all we need to do is to click on move, and then we will select the destination. And of course, destination contains the boards and the list. So basically we need to go to the other board that you want to do or to add, and then give it a list. So let's just have this closing, and you can even give it a position. Then you click on move, and basically it has disappeared from here, and we will find it in the grant tracking templates or the other board, and we will search for closing. And as you can see, our template or our card has been moved successfully to another board in our Trello workspace. So basically, this is how you move your cards from a border to another in, or from a board to another in a Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.